In this video, I will show how to fix and resolve download failed virus detected message in Chrome in Windows PC. So open settings. Now privacy and security, Windows security. Then here click on virus and threat protection. Click on manage settings underneath virus and threat protection. Now turn off real-time protection and turn off cloud delivered protection. Then close it and try to download. Still you are facing problems, so you can try second method. Click on this three dot, then more, then settings. Here privacy and security, site settings. Click on security and here select this one, no protection, and make sure it's not recommended, but for a while you need this setting, so turn off for a specific time. And now try to download. So this is the way guys you can fix and resolve this problem. Thanks for watching.